Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from Fiverr to PayPal. Now this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do this very quick and easy. I'm also going to show you some tips. So first, what you guys need to do, you want to log into your Fiverr account. That's the first step, of course. You should just log into your Fiverr account. Okay, so after you log in, guys, make sure you switch your account to selling. Okay, you want to click on the profile in the top right and you want to switch to selling. Now after, guys, you switch to selling, as you can see, I am on my Fiverr account right now, on this like seller account where I sell my gigs. As you can see, like my level here is new seller, the rating here is 4.8 stars. So yeah, first you want to click here, it says my business. Okay, here in the top left you want to click here, it says my business, and then you want to click on earnings. Okay, so after, guys, you click on earnings, then you will be able to see here all the balances. Now if the money appears here where it says payment being cleared, that means they are not available for withdrawal. Okay, so you will have to wait until the money moves from this to balance available for use. Okay, so when you see the money here, it says available funds or available balance, like a balance available for use, then you will be able to withdraw this money. But if it appears somewhere here, like for example payments for active orders or payment being cleared, you will have to wait. It's like 5 to 6 days to 14 days, depends if the buyer that has purchased the gig from your Fiverr, if they accepted that everything is good, like they are happy with their purchase, then the money will move to balance available for use quickly. Okay, so like I said, you will have to know if you have available balance or not, like it appears here. Now if you can see here the available balance more than $20, then you will be able to withdraw this money, okay, to Pioneer or PayPal. Now anyway, here you want to click on manage payout methods, and here you will find the options. You want to click on add the new payout method. Of course they will send you guys an SMS. I'm going to confirm that right now. It's very easy. Just go to your messages on your phone and then add here the code. So this is the code. Okay, so here you want to click on add payout method, and here as you can see PayPal account. Now you want to link your PayPal to Fiverr. It's very easy. Just need to click here on continue and it will take you guys directly to your own PayPal account. Okay, so it says it shows a payout method and currency. PayPal, as you can see, up to 1 business day. This is going to take the transaction, it's going to take 1 business day to appear on your account on PayPal. Keep in mind that the weekend they don't work. Okay, so if you send the money, for example, in Sunday, you will not receive it that day. Okay, or like Saturday, you will not be able to receive it. You will only receive it on Monday. Okay, so also fees might apply, but the fees are 0, so you don't really have to worry about this. You will just click on continue. Okay, after you add the PayPal, you will receive an email. Okay, they will send you an email to your email you used to log into your Fiverr. Now you will see the email, click on confirm, click here, it says you have added a PayPal account. Thanks for adding PayPal account to Fiverr withdrawals. This means that any funds you withdraw from now will be sent to this account. There are just a few steps. You just need to click on continue, as you can see here. Okay, so after, guys, you click continue, as you can see, then after you click continue, that means you have confirmed. Okay, so you have confirmed that it's you who wants to add your PayPal to Fiverr. Okay, so after that you will see here PayPal account. Like if you have available for withdrawal, like if you have balance available for use, you can just click on PayPal account here, click on it. Now it's garage for me because I have already withdrawn all the money. Just click on PayPal account and you will be able to withdraw the money to PayPal. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and tell me your questions. I reply to everyone. Make sure you drop a like on this video and see you guys in the next video.